In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Drive file available offline. If you ever lose internet access but still need to keep working, turning on offline mode in Google Drive is the simplest way to stay productive. We'll start in your browser. Open Google, make sure you're signed into your account, and look to the top right for the small grid icon, sometimes called the Google Apps Launcher. Click it, then choose Drive to open your Google Drive home. Once Drive is open, go to the top right and click the gear icon. This opens your Drive settings. In the Settings window, find the Offline section. Here's where you turn on offline access. Check the box that says you can create, open, and edit your recent Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides on this device while offline. The first time you enable this, Drive may prepare your device and download the essentials in the background. That's normal. Keep your browser open and give it a moment to sync. A quick note: enabling offline stores copies of your recent files on this device, so make sure you're on a trusted computer with enough free space. With offline mode enabled, you can also choose specific items to make sure they're ready without a connection. Back in your Drive, hover over a file you know you'll need, click the three dots, and look for the option labeled Make Available Offline. Click it to pin that file for offline use. You'll typically see a small indicator or confirmation that the file is set. Repeat this for any other files you want at your fingertips. This is especially handy before a flight, a commute, or anytime you expect spotty service. A few helpful tips as you use offline files. Edits you make while offline will safely sync to the cloud the next time your device reconnects. If you ever need to free up space, or you're using a shared device, you can return to Settings later and uncheck the offline option, or open the Files menu again and turn off Make Available Offline for individual items. For best results, use an up-to-date browser and sign in with the account where the files live. And that's it. You opened Drive, enabled offline mode in Settings, and marked a file to make it available offline. Now your key documents travel with you, even when your connection doesn't. Thanks for watching, and happy working, online or off.